Welcome to Rome Tips. If you find this video helpful, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. All the links mentioned in this overview are down in the description below. Also, remember that this video reflects my personal experience. Today, we're taking a look at myFICO.com, your one-stop shop for everything related to your FICO score. Navigating the world of credit scores can be confusing, but myFICO aims to simplify things, providing you with the tools and resources you need to understand and manage your financial health. The website, located at www.myfico.com, offers a variety of services, from providing access to your FICO scores to offering credit monitoring and identity theft protection. myFICO recognizes that your FICO score is a critical component of your financial well-being. It's used by lenders to assess your creditworthiness and plays a vital role in securing loans, mortgages, and even renting an apartment. Therefore, understanding your score and the factors that influence it is essential. myFICO empowers you to take control of your credit health by providing clear and concise information. They offer educational resources that explain the intricacies of credit scoring and provide actionable steps you can take to improve your score. Beyond just viewing your FICO score, myFICO provides a deeper dive into the components that contribute to it. You can gain valuable insights into your credit history, identify areas for improvement, and track your progress over time. They also offer personalized recommendations tailored to your specific credit situation. Whether you're looking to build credit from scratch, repair damaged credit, or simply maintain a good score, myFICO provides the resources to help you achieve your financial goals. Another crucial aspect of myFICO is its credit monitoring services. These tools allow you to stay informed about any changes to your credit report, alerting you to potential fraud or errors. This proactive approach can help protect you from identity theft and other financial risks. They offer various monitoring packages designed to fit your individual needs. Ultimately, myFICO.com is a valuable resource for anyone looking to understand and manage their credit. From providing access to your FICO scores to offering credit monitoring and educational resources, myFICO equips you with the tools you need to achieve financial success. So, be sure to check out the website, www.myfico.com, and take control of your credit journey.